Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit down, sit down. Now, can you tell me what we are doing today from this model? Fraction. Yes, we have the chapter fraction in our PA2 examination. Okay? So, this is a whole part. This is called a whole part. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This is called a
Whole
whole part. This is a whole part. Okay? Now, yellow part is a whole part. Orange part is called half part, and a blue part is also called half part. Half means 1 by 2. Half means
1 by 2.
2. So, this is 1 by 2, and orange part is also 1 by 2. And this yellow part is called whole part.
Whole part.
Okay? Now next. Now, look at here everyone. I am now moving this part like this. Now, you can tell me, Jayantika, total part is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. When I am moving this one, 2 part is colored. 2 part is
Color.
colored. That means out of 8, 2 part is in orange color. 2 part is in orange color. So we can write here 2 upon 8. Upon means by, that is 2 is numerator and 8 is denominator. So 2 part is colored and other 8 part, total part is 8. So we can say here 2 upon 8. 1 and 2 part is in orange color and total part is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now again I am moving this one like this. Now you can tell me 1, 2 and 3 part is colored now. Now
3 upon and
8. Very good. 3 upon
8.
total part is 8 and 3 part is colored. Very good, Jayantika. Utkarsh, your turn. Now I am moving like this. Okay? Wait a minute,